Hey guys, I'm Tom the Tech Chap and I'm with LG at CES 2019 where they're showing off their latest range of soundbars and speakers. And the first thing I want to show you is this, their new slim wall-mountable soundbar, the SL9YG. And before we even get to the sound quality, LG are demonstrating how you can use this soundbar in two different ways, either in stand or wall mount modes, where the top-firing speakers are then pointing straight at you. It has a built-in gyro that automatically detects the soundbar's orientation and adjusts the drivers and speaker settings accordingly, so it shouldn't really affect the sound too much. But the adaptable design means if you're wall mounting your TV, you don't then need a TV cabinet underneath for the soundbar. You can just wall mount it as well, so you get a cleaner aesthetic. Specs-wise, it's a 4.1.2 channel 500 watt soundbar with speakers on the front, side and the top, giving you that great Dolby Atmos surround sound.
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you.
So as well as Dolby Atmos, it also supports DTS:X sound and it can play back lossless stereo at up to 24-bit quality. LG also say it's the world's first soundbar that supports both Dolby Atmos and also the Google Assistant, so you can control everything with your voice. Just like LG's range of XBOOM speakers, the soundbar uses Meridian audio technology, which is designed to widen the sound field, enhance the bass, and give you the clearest vocals possible at all volume levels. So even if you're whacking up the volume on movie night, it'll still sound great. Next up, we have this absolutely epic party speaker, the XBOOM OL100. This thing is just insane, and I definitely caused a few people to cover their ears in the LG booth as I pumped up the volume and played with the built-in crossfader and scratcher. It's so much fun, plus it has a built-in karaoke creator. It has a 12-inch subwoofer and uses Meridian audio, so it sounds great and it can get ridiculously loud. Now, if you feel that may be a little bit excessive and you don't need all those extra DJ bells and whistles on top, the slightly more reasonably sized 550 watt XBOOM RK7 may be more up your street. And don't worry, it still comes with that built-in karaoke creator. It also supports aptX HD as well as LG's wireless party link, so if you want to go completely crazy and really annoy your neighbors, you can actually link up to 10 of these together wirelessly. Now moving on, there's two more products I want to show you, the WK7 speaker and the WK9 smart display. They both use Meridian technology and support ThinQ, which is LG's branding for their products that have artificial intelligence built in. The WK7 speaker is, well, it's exactly what it looks like. It's a smart tabletop speaker that has the Google Assistant built in. It's Bluetooth, plus you have support for ThinQ AI, so you can control all your smart home tech with it, and it offers high-res 24-bit audio support. And it comes in either black or white colors, and personally I really like the white one. And finally we have the WK9, or to give it its full title, the LG XBOOM AI ThinQ WK9 Smart Display with Google Assistant. That's quite a mouthful. It has an 8-inch 720p touchscreen and is flanked by Meridian-powered speakers. It's a lot like the Google Home Hub. It even uses the same software, so you can read recipes, watch YouTube videos, play music, look at your Google Photos, or even make video calls thanks to the built-in webcam. Although there is a toggle to block this if you prefer. But what sets it apart from the Home Hub is obviously the speakers either side of the screen, which means you get much better sound quality. And so that's just a quick look at LG's new range of XBOOM Meridian speakers, and of course that slim wall-mountable soundbar. Testing actual sound quality is pretty difficult on the show floor, so we'll reserve full judgment on that for now. But I hope you found this video useful, and let me know what you make of their speakers in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos, and I'll catch you next time right here on the Tech Chap.